Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn the first chapter of algebra, that is a linear equation in two variables. What is linear equation? Linear equation. What is linear equation? In this word the word line is there, right? Means this is the equation which create line. Equation, linear equation in two variables. There is another word that is important, which is two. Okay, this type of equation contains two variables like x plus y is equals to 3. Actually this is linear equation in two variable, right? So x and y both are variables. Okay, so linear equation in two variables. Okay, so what is the general form? General form of linear equation is, general form is ax plus by is equals to c. So ax plus by is equals to c is the general form of linear equation in two variable. So what is a and b? Okay, a, b and c all are the numbers which are real numbers. Okay, means we can take any number in instead of a, b and c. Okay, कोई भी नंबर उसमें आ सकता है, ठीक है. So x and y both are variables. There are two variables, x and y. So a, b and c, those are the numbers. But the important thing is that a and b cannot be zero. A और b की वैल्यू जीरो कभी भी नहीं हो सकती. Why? Because when we take a as 0, suppose here 3x plus 4y is equals to 15. This is equation. Okay, so suppose when we take the value of a, here a is 3. When we take value of a as 0, then it will become 3 means 3 into what is the value of x? Value of x is 0. Suppose we are taking 0. Okay, so 3 into x means 0. 3 into 0 plus 4y is equals to 15. Okay, now 3 into 0, this is a property. When we multiply any number by 0, we will get 0, right? Okay, so it means here is 0. So 0 plus 4y is equals to 15. It means y, what? 4y is equals to 15. Now it is not linear equation in two variable because there is not any other variable with y, right? So here is only one variable. Actually this is this is equation in one variable because here is only one. Means we cannot take a and b as 0. Okay, then c can be 0. So this is most important thing in linear equation in two variable. What is linear equation in two variable? And listen, the most important thing is here again. Here 3x plus 4y is equals to 15, right? Okay, this is equation. The most important thing is that the index of x and y, is 1. Means here is the index which is 1 for both x and y. Okay, so we cannot take index 2 for x and y and any other more. Means the degree of the linear equation is always 1. The degree is always 1. Means we cannot take more than 1 as a degree. Okay, highest degree किती असणार आहे याची? तर 1 असणार आहे. 1 पेक्षा नक्कीच जास्त असणार नाही, ठीक आहे. कारण जर आपण इथं 2 घेतलं तर हा काय होईल? वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये जाईल. इट विल बिकम क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, बट here is y, means there are two variables also. Okay, means it cannot come in a quadratic also, but because of this square we will say it this is quadratic. Okay, but this is without this two it will become linear equation in two variable. There are two variables, right? And now the degree of every means index of x is 1, y is also 1, degree is 1. So therefore this is linear equation in two variable, right? So we have given an activity also, first page, right? So you have given some questions, and then at the right you have given, is it linear equation in two variable or not, right? So the first is 4m plus 3n, 4m plus 3n is equals to 12. Second is 3x square plus minus 7y is equals to 30. Then the third one is root 2x minus root 5y is equals to 16. This is the third question. 0x plus 6y is equals to 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equals to 0. Then 0.3x plus 0y is equals, minus 36 is equals to 0. This is fifth equation. And now sixth equation is that 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 4. This is the sixth equation. And the last equation is 4xy minus 5y is equals to, minus 8 is equals to 0. Those are the 7 questions which are given for to identify is it linear equation or not, right? So the first 4m plus 3n is equals to 12. What are our conditions? The conditions are two variables. We want what? Two variables. We want two variables, and degree will be 1. So we have to see only that things. Which is the first thing? Are there two variables? Yes. M and n both are variables. So there are two variables, right? M and n. Now condition second, degree 1. Degree must be 1. So degree of index of 1 is m is 1, n is 1. It means it is definitely linear equation in two variable, right? Now come at the second question. At the first thing, here is 2, means the degree is 2, that is why it is not linear equation in two variable, right? So the third question, here is x, here is y. It means yes, those are the variables. So we have two variables. Degree is 1, it means it is also linear equation in two variable, right? Now 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equals to 0. Actually this is not in its form. For how? 0x plus 6y is equals to 3. This is accurate form to solve. Okay, so now 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equals to 0. So here is plus 3 and here is minus 3, because this is the rule. When any number across the equal sign, it will change its own sign, right? So now it is minus, it will become plus after the equal sign, right? So here is 0. The coefficient of first variable, that is x, is 0, right? So because of this 0, this x will also convert into 0. So it will become only the equation in one variable. Means because of this 0, we cannot say this is linear equation in two variables. So it is not linear equation in two variable. Now third question, fifth question, we can see here is 0. Means same with this, right? So it is also not equation in one variable. Now the sixth question is that 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 4. Okay, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 4. Okay, so this time we have to take this x with 4. Okay, not below 4. Means we have to take this with here. But when we convert or when we take x here, it will become x raised to minus 1. Means it will become 4x raised to minus 1 plus 5x raised to minus 1 is equals to 4. It means it cannot be linear equation in two variable, right? And the last is that 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equals to 0. Here we can see, here is x and y both the variables are with a. We can say a, b, and this is c, right? Okay, so here are two variables. I know here are two variables, but with first coefficient there is x and y. It means what? It is also not linear equation in two variable. Okay, so those are the things we have to understand, why it is linear equation in two variable or why not. Okay, so we are going to start the first exercise of first chapter, exercise 1.1. Okay, exercise 1.1 or practice set 1.1. Okay, now so in 1.1, in first question we can see there is an activity, right? So there is activity based question and we have to understand how to solve that questions, right? Okay, so the first is 5x plus 3y, 5x plus 3y is equals to what? There is 9, it is equation number 1. Okay, second equation is 2x minus 3y is equals to what? 12. This is equation number 2. Okay, in last year we have seen how to solve these type of questions, right? Actually 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. This is first equation. 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. So we can see there is plus 3y, there is minus 3y, right? So we can cancel them, but how? By adding. Okay, so we have to add equation first and second. Okay, so when we add first and second, you will get 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. This is first equation. And then 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. This is second equation, right? So when we add, we can, if this is addition, so in addition we can cancel the opposite signs number, means this is 3y, this is minus 3y, so we can cancel directly. Okay, so now it will become 3y cancels 3y, and this is 5x plus 2x, it will become 7x, that will be 21. Now I think you know very well how to solve this, right? So x will be 21 divided by 7. When we divide this 21 by 7, you will get 3, means value of x is 3 now. So you have to put this value in equation 1 or 2. You can put this value in any equation, right? So we will put this value in equation number first. So put x is equals to 3 in equation first, right? So we will put the value in equation first, right? Okay, so what is the first equation? The first equation is that 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. Okay, this is equation. So we have to put 3 instead of x, right? So 5 into 3 plus 3y is equals to 9. Now 5 3s are 15 plus 3y is equals to 9. Now 3y is equals to, now we have to find the value of y, right? So this 15 will go there and it will become negative, right? So 9 minus 15, 3y is equals to minus 6. It means y is equals to minus 6 upon 3, right? So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, but it will become minus 2, right? So value of y will be minus 2. So we can say that 3 and minus 2 are the solutions of the equation, right? Okay, means value of x is 3 and value of y is minus 2. And this is the rule that we have to write first variable's value at first and second will be at second. Okay, so this is activity based question. We have to understand how to solve, because the next question is totally depend on this type of questions. So we have to understand how to solve, right? Okay, now we will take the second question. In second question we can see, in second question you have given directly questions. Only one question was there for activity. Okay, so the question number second and the first question from the question 2, and that is the first question. This is the first question, that is 3a plus 5b, 3a plus 5b is equals to what? 26. Okay, this is the first equation. A plus 5b, a plus 5b is equals to 22, right? Okay, so we have to give the numbers for the equation. This is the first equation. Okay, and this is the second equation. Okay, so 3a plus 5b is equals to 26, a plus 5b is equals to 22. Those are the two equations. Okay, so at first we have to see, is there any similarity? So actually we can see here 5b, here is also 5b. In last question we have seen there was 3y I think and minus 3y. Okay, actually there was change in sign, but here the sign is same and the numbers are also same. So we have to subtract here. Okay, so subtraction process is there. So how you can write the statement? Subtract equation second from first. Okay, second from first means we have to subtract this equation from this equation, right? Okay, how? So 3a plus 5b is equals to 26, right? And the second is that a plus 5b is equals to 22, right? Okay, now you can see here 5e, 5b both are positive, but when we subtract the equations in two variables, right? So we have to change the sign for the second equation. How? So it will become negative, it will also negative, it is also negative. But when this, suppose this is negative which is given, so we have to convert it positive. Okay, means we have to change its sign, right? So 3a and a. Now this a, actually this a is positive a from question, but now it is negative. So 3a minus a, that will become 2a, right? Now this is negative and this is positive, so we can cancel it, right? So is equals to 26 minus 22, that will become 4. So can I write a is equals to 4 upon 2, right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. A is equals to 2. This is the first value of the first variable, right? Now we have to put this value in any equation. Okay, suppose put a is equals to 2 in equation. You can put this value in any equation. You can put in first, we can put in second. Okay, you have to see which is comfortable to put, right? So we will put in second. Now a plus 5b is equals to 22. This is the equation, and now we have to put that the value of a, that is 2 plus 5b is equals to 22, right? Now we have to find value of b, so we have to send this to there, right? So how? 5b is equals to 22 minus 2, so 5b is equals to 20. It means b is equals to 20 divided by 5 rule, right? Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So can I say the value of b is 4? It means the values are, the first is 2, the second is 4. So 2, 4 is the solution of equation, right? And those are called simultaneous equation. When you have given two equations, then those are simultaneous equation. Okay, I think this definition is given on page number 2 also, right? So those are the questions which we can solve, right? Now